Head loop roll installation. Remove the bracket shaft. Then install the head loop roll into the bracket shaft.
Note, the head loop out of the reel anti-clockwise.
Install the fixed block, then lock the screws. Install the bracket shaft into the motor tail slot. Then lock the screws of the fixed block. Pass the head loop through the pulley block and turn. The head loop clamp can be opened manually. Pass the head loop through the head loop clamp for about 1 centimeter.
The head loop roll installation finished.